Uncle Weaver.
Uh-huh.
Now this is your niece right behind you.
Right behind me?
Yes, sir. Now, I know when I came up, I was I mean, your nephew.
The Epps-McGIll Farmhouse became a home for the McGill family and a staple of the community in the early 1950s and continued for more than half a century. This two-story Victorian structure in the town of Kingstree in Williamsburg County, South Carolina, built in the early 1900s, was nominated and placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2020 as an extraordinary example of a property that ultimately came into the legal possession of an African-American family who first lived there as sharecroppers. The beloved owners, Margaret and Weaver McGill, provided a foundation for family gatherings and traditions, as well as economic empowerment for many in the community through farming and other entrepreneurial efforts. We are currently undertaking the restoration of this vulnerable farmhouse in several phases and raising funds to support this endeavor. The first phase focuses on stabilization of the home's foundation and the complete replacement of the roof. Our initial goal to support this effort is $100,000. Your generous gift will help preserve the history of this beloved national treasure, tell its story, and protect its legacy for future generations. Please give what you can to help us reach our Phase 1 goal of $100,000 and support the stabilization and restoration of the Epps-McGill Farmhouse. Please visit Epps-McGillFarmhouse.org today to make your tax-deductible contribution.